Hi guys, it's really been a long time. So today I'll be making a video on VTU, virtual utility, virtual top-up utility payment platform where you can buy airtime, pay your cable bills like GOTV, DSTV, Startimes, this thing, and lots more. So as you can see, this is the front page of the website. Here, the front page, you can top up your airtime, you can buy data recharge and cable subscriptions, you can pay your electricity bills, you can do recharge pins, as well as your customers can also check their wire results. So it has all these features in it. Now this is how it looks, although you can also get a redesign of this if you request for it. Okay, so this is specifically for Nigerians, and as you can see, it has a lot of electricity distance that it supports. So there are payment gateways which you can do. You can accept payments by bank transfer or using Paystack. So this is the front page, and I'll be logging into the admin page right now so I can show you how it really looks like. So this is the admin page. Okay, so this is the admin. This is the admin dashboard. Now it has the option for you to. It has different APIs for you to add. Okay, so if you are working with different APIs, you get the one that suits your pricing, then you can work with it. And you can also add custom APIs. If there's an API that you'd want to add, as long as it is Nigerian based, you can also add it. So here are you have the site details, you have the style of the site, you have the contact, the networks, different networks. Let me start with this. You have the four networks, the MTN, Airtel, Blue, and Nine Mobile. So this is where you enable them. So if there is a particular network that you wouldn't want to make available, then you can disable it here. You can disable it here. As you can see, MTN is enabled. Um, Everything about MTN. Then when you click on Airtel, you can enable anything about Airtel. General this thing, the Airtel airtime, Airtel share and sell, Airtel SME. This one is disabled. The Airtel SME2 is disabled. Airtel gifting is disabled. So you can enable whichever one that you want depending on the API that you are using. So that's about it when it comes to network. Then as per the API, once you've registered with an API, you will have the airtime, the data API. You get one API. If you get an API that covers airtime, data, and the electricity bills, so what you have to do is you come to the API, then you put in your API key, then as you can see, these are the list of APIs that you can work with. You have better data, billers, that's data sub, and these VTU points, VTU pass, VTU Niger. So that is it. So once you've added your API for MTN, you can add. You just click on Airtel. You can also add your API for Airtel. So once you are done, you save. It's very easy. It's very easy. So this is it. So once you're done adding this, then let me log out and log into the customer dashboard so you see how it is. So this is the customer dashboard. You can see there are options there to purchase data, airtime, bills, cable TV. So when you click on this, so you can select your network. We have MTN, Airtel, so whichever one you select, you can click here to select the network, or you can come to this network option, you select the network you want to choose. Then if you have contact, it has options for you to add new contact. Okay, so but you can also input the contact directly. Let me see, this is MTN. Now, once you type in, if it is for MTN, if you type in the wrong number, which is not in the MTN network, it's going to give you an error. But as you can see, this is an MTN network. Then you scroll down to select data type. We have SME, we have gifting and corporate. Then you select your data plan. So once you're done, you now click on buy data. But before you be able to do this as a user, you need to be able to fund your account. There's an option to fund your account. You need to have a balance in your account to be able to do that. Okay, so this is where you can add money. You click on add money and you see different account options, you card and manual. Okay, so you can add your account. So that is it. This is a complete VTU platform specifically made for Nigerians, or should I say Africans. So if you need this, kindly send me a message on WhatsApp, or you can drop a comment. You can also get it from the website. Just click on the link on the website and you get it. I can also show you how to do this. Okay, so this is how it looks. Now, the next thing we are going to do is I'm going to show you how to install it. Let me make this video complete. I'm going to show you how to install this. So, but for you to get started with this, you need to have your domain and your hosting. So you need to have your domain and your hosting. So if you have your domain and your hosting, you've bought it, all you have to do is you log into your cPanel. So once you've logged into your cPanel, the first thing that you are going to do is to create a database. Okay, so to create a database, this is your cPanel. You come down, you scroll down to database options, then you click on this database wizard. Okay, this is very easy, you don't need to do it manually. So once you are here, you now give it a name. So for this, I'm going to give it VTU. I've already created it, so let me use something else like demo. Now I've created the database name, so I'm going to copy this. This is it, because I would want to use the same thing as the database name, the database user and password. So I'm going to put in here demo again, then this password I copied, which is this, but I want everything to be the same. Then this, you click on create user. So once you are on this page, you click on all privileges, just check this automatically. Every other of these will be checked. Then you click on next step. That is all. You've created your database. Now the next thing you have to do is you go back to your cPanel. And if you are getting this script, all you have to do, once you get this script from me, let's assume you've gotten it. Then once you've created your database and you are back to your cPanel homepage, you click on File Manager. So once you've clicked on File Manager, you go to where you want to install this. This is where I'm installing it. This is a subdomain. Now, for you, this is going to be empty. So let me delete a lot of this. Let me delete this. So this is it. So you are going to get something like this if you are showing the hidden files. Okay. So now if you get this script from me, this is exactly what you'll be getting. This will be the name. All you have to do is you click on it, then you right click on your laptop and you click on extract. Now it's going to extract it to the root folder of your domain. Now once you are done extracting it, you go to core, this option, you click on it, then you go to models, you click, then you go to model.php, you click on it, and then you right click because you need to open the file. Then you go back to your, okay, now this is our cPanel. I will go to php-my-admins. Remember that we've already created our database, so you just come to databases here, click on php-my-admin, php-my-admin, okay. So once you've opened your php-my-admin, then this thing. You click on the database you have created. For me, this is what I used. So all I'm going to do now is to click on import. Then you click on open file. Once you click on this open file, it's going to take you to the file that you have created, the database that you have, the database of this, because it's going to be in the zip folder of the file that you'll be getting for this. So this is the SQL file. I'm going to double click. Then you import. Once you click on import, automatically it's going to create the database and import the database tables. Now once you are done with that, you go back to your you go back to the SQL file where you the models, just like I mentioned before. Okay, let me go back. So once you've imported the database, then you go back to the file manager, you go to core, then you click on models, then model.php. Now this is where you put in your database details. You go back to the database, this is where you get your database, this is it. As you can see, you put in this first one, public HTML, public static password. You put in your password, as you can see. Then the username, you put in the username and database name. So once you're done with that, you click on save. Okay. So once you've done that, you just visit your site and you click on, just visit the domain and reload it. Automatically, you are going to get this, exactly this. Now to log into the admin backend, you go to the domain, you click /admin. Now the admin login is admin, okay. So you can now set up your this thing. Once you are done setting it up, that is it. Your users can log in, purchase airtime, purchase data, pay their electricity bills, and cable TV subscriptions. So that's how you do it. In case you get this or you run into any errors doing this, kindly send me a message on WhatsApp. So if you're watching from TikTok, I would want you to follow me for more videos. If you're watching from YouTube, follow me for more videos because I make videos like this and I definitely assure you that it's worth it. So it's something that can help you. It will save you a lot of money to do this. So if you need this, send me a message on WhatsApp and I'm very responsive. I'm going to respond to you. Thank you guys, and the next video I'll be making is how to set up an AI crypto trading bot. So just click the follow button and so you get the latest updates. Thank you.